Hello dear students, good morning. Am I audible to you all? Please answer me in sign language. Yes. Am I audible to you all? मेरी आवाज सुन सकते हैं आप? Okay. So dear students, today you will get your long answer type questions. Okay, I have already uploaded the long answer type question. Abhyuday Shrivastava, please sit straight. Don't bend. Okay. Clear? Okay, so dear students, place your camera properly at one place. Do not move here and there, okay? Sometimes pankha dikh raha hai, something else, but you are not in the camera. Okay. So today we will start a new lesson in second semester. 4 lessons are there. Lesson number 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 4 lesson. Out of this, one we have already completed. Okay, lesson number 5, plants. Okay, then today in this session we are going to start our new lesson, that is food we eat from plant. Okay, food we get from plants. Please open page number 57. 57. 5, 7. All of you. And pencil should be in your hand. Okay. Please underline it, the difficult words. Okay. Write it down properly. Asta Singh, Nach, Anviksha, Kritika, Kundan. Please, Rudransh Patel, sit straight. Yes, Pihu Kushwaha, open the book. Place your camera properly. नव्या दुबे, आप कैमरे में एकदम लेट जा रहे हो बेटा. सो के नहीं पढ़ना है आप लोग को. ओके, दिस इज द क्लास, जनरल साइंस क्लास, एंड अ साइंस स्टूडेंट शुड बी एक्टिव. यू नो ना, योर बैकबोन विल बी बेंड. अब जल्दी बूढ़े हो जाओगे झुक के बैठोगे तो. ओके, सो सिट स्ट्रेट. Okay. Have you done your breakfast? Huh? Done? Okay. Very good. So today we are going to start a new chapter. All are ready? Slowly, slowly they are joining the class. Okay. So let's begin with the reading. Raman Kumar, Pratyush, Achyut, Anay Mishra, yes, please focus in the book. Okay. Lesson 6, food we get from plants. As you know that in our previous chapter, what we have studied about the plants. Okay. Parts of the plants we have studied. The root, shoot, their leaves, stems, and the flowers. Okay, third E, Ashirvad. Who is that third E, Ashirvad? If I found any one of the student who is eating during the class, I will just remove from here. Okay, so please focus on the study. Okay, so in the previous lesson, we have studied about the parts of the plants and functions of the plants we have studied. Okay, so now in this chapter, we will study what part is used in our life. That means parts of the plant we are eating. Okay, food we get from plants. As you know, the chapter name is food we get from plants. हमें भोजन या हमें खाने की चीजें प्लांट से मिलती हैं. कैसे? That we will study here. Which part we are eating. Okay. So let's see. First line, Pratyush Tripathi, you are lying on the bed. Sit straight, please. Pratyush, third B. Third B, Pratyush Tripathi. Let me, okay, come. I'll show everyone. See how this boy is lying down on the bed and studying. Sit straight. Pratyush, unmute yourself. Pratyush.
Yes, ma'am.
नींद आ रही है बेटा?
No.
आप लेट के पढ़ रहे हो? स्क्रीन पे हो बेटा आप. Everyone is watching to you. Okay, this is a class. Please don't lie on the bed. Okay, sit straight and then study. Okay, so here we are going to start reading. Put your finger there on the first line, everyone. Okay, we see various plants around us. The first sentence is, we see various plants around us. That means we see many plants around us. हमारे चारों तरफ कई प्रकार के plants होते हैं, पौधे होते हैं. Okay, they are of different sizes and types. That means they are of different colors, different sizes, different shapes, different size, height. Okay, and you know, dear students, आप जब भी अपने चारों तरफ देखोगे तो आप क्या देखेंगे? सारे पेड़ एक जैसे हैं? No. Some plants are different. Some plants are very small, thin, thick. Okay, so here we will study about that. Plants are useful to us in a number of ways. This line is very important. Plants are useful to us in a number of ways. Means हम ये पेड़ पौधे हमारे लिए बहुत ही फायदेमंद हैं. Okay, बहुत ही यूजफुल हैं. Okay, in number of ways. Number of ways means कई तरीके से. You are using your paper made up of bamboo tree. Bamboo is a plant. Your cotton clothes made up of cotton plant. You are sitting in the on the bed made up of wood. Wood is coming from the plant. You are eating pizza. Are you eating pizza? Yes or no? कभी खाया है? Yes, say yes. Pizza, burger, samosa, everything is coming from the plant. Yes? Yes? अब आप सोच रहे होगे मिस क्या बोल रही है? हाँ? Pizza, burger is coming from the plants? Yes. No. पेड़ से ही तो आते हैं. Yes, yes. Okay, take the example of samosa. Samosa सबने खाया है ना? Ah, good. Yes. Okay. So समोसे में क्या भरा होता है? Yes, very good. Potato, aloo. And what it is? It is a part of a plant. Okay. Clear? And बाहर का क्या होता है? समोसे के बाहर का वो कैसे बनता है? मैदा. मैदा is coming from wheat. गेहूं से. गेहूं कहाँ आता है? Yes. खेत से. खेत में क्या होते हैं? पेड़ पौधे. गेहूं की खेती होती है. So each and everything what you eat, that is coming from the plants except the water. Okay, edible things are coming from the plants. Okay, that is why the name of the chapter is food we get from the plants. Whatever the things, food particles we are eating, that we get from the plants only. So plants provide us so many things. Okay, now the first topic is types of plants according to their stem. Okay, this is types of the plants. Type of plants just depends upon the structure of the stem. उनकी stem की बनावट के आधार पर plants को 1 2 3 4 5 5 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है. ओके, I'm explaining you in Hindi also, that means you can understood very well. Okay, clear? Okay, so types of plants can be grouped into 5 group. Okay, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Please show me your fingers. All 5 fingers open, everyone. Yeah, say trees, trees, otherwise you fold it. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Okay, so 5 types of plants are there. Okay, on the basis of their, yes, stem, structure of the stem. Now we will see the trees. What is trees? Trees are tall, big plants. Tall, big plants. Okay, trees are very tall, big plants. Okay, they have a single woody stem. Single means एक, woody means लकड़ी का मोटा, stem. Okay, that is called trunk. On the blackboard, see the diagram. Trees, they have single woody stem. Okay, they have single woody stem. This is called the trunk. This woody stem is known as trunk. Okay, trees are tall, okay, big plant. They are not in small size. They are in big size. They are tall, very big, and they have woody stem, hard and woody stem, single stem. Okay, that is called the trunk. Okay, clear? Then what are the example of trees? Can you name them? आपके घर में कोई ट्री है? नीम ट्री, मैंगो ट्री, एप्पल ट्री, ऑरेंज ट्री, banyan tree. Okay, then curry tree. Many types of trees are there. If there is no tree, no problem. Arnesh Pandey, in your house, no tree is there, no problem. I think you will get shrubs or herbs. सबके घर में कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलेगा. Okay, या तो ट्री, shrub, herbs, climbers, creepers. And the students, those who don't have any plant, that means you have to grow it. Okay. I remember that I have given to you homework to grow the gram plant. So how many students have done it, and any plant is there? Any growth is there in that seed, germination of seed? किसी का भी चने का पौधा बढ़ा है? Nobody has done at all, I think so. Huh? Anyone has done? Please, if growth is there, you can show me. Okay. I don't think anyone has done. Show me that if anyone has done. Okay, so dear students, when you will sow the gram seed and germination will be takes place, after that you will just know that how many parts are there in the plants. That process you can see by your eyes. Okay, आप जब एक पौधा, एक बीज लगाओगे तो आपको देखने को मिलेगा कैसे वो बढ़ रहा है, क्या क्या पार्ट आ रहे हैं उसमें. पहले स्टेम है, फिर रूट्स है, फिर लीव्स है, फ्लावर्स है. These things you should know that, ना. छुट्टी चल रही है ना, आप लोग को तो स्कूल भी नहीं आना है अभी. हाँ, That means at the home you can do these activities. Science student should be connected with the nature. Nature से आप connect होइए. Okay. The plants are best friend. They are giving you oxygen, and your parents are best teachers. You know that? They are providing you everything. Day and night they are doing work for you. And simply you are sitting. At least at home, they are providing you mobile phone, earphone, they are recharge your phones. Then you should give some good marks not to your parents. Ma'am आएंगी, ma'am पढ़ाएंगी, चली जाएंगी, okay. But your first parents are your first teacher is your parents. Okay. Then whatever we are saying to you, please remember it. Okay, some of the students are writing, ma'am, I have done this. Okay, good. I have planted the seed. Very good. Pratyush class 3rd A. Very nice. Okay. Okay. So many of the students are there. Good. Very nice. Okay, please don't write no ma'am, whatever. I can't know what answer you are typing. Okay. So dear students, please, those who have sown that seed, very good. Okay. And don't ask this, ma'am, when school will open, because I don't know. Okay. I think you are very happy that you are sitting at home and easily, nicely you are studying. Good now, stay home, stay safe. Okay. But don't disturb to the parents. Okay. School jana hai, school jana hai. When principal will give you a message, then sure you will come. But with the permission of your parents. Okay. So as I told you, the first teacher is your parents. So respect them. Okay. Let's come to the point, to the tree. Okay. So trees are very tall, big plants. They have a single woody stem called the trunk. Okay. Example, neem. Many trees are there. You can see. Okay. One homework you can do more, that in the evening you go out and see around yourself. Okay. And count the trees. How many trees are there? Which trees are there? Mango trees are there or not? Okay. Then see. Next is shrubs. Next topic is shrubs. Shrubs are medium-sized bushy plant. Okay. Bushy means घना plant. Okay. झाड़ियां जिसको बोलते हैं. Shrubs means झाड़ी जैसा. They are usually smaller than trees. ये trees से छोटे होते हैं. They have thin woody stem. Thin woody stem means they have woody stem like tree, but woody stems are thin. पतले पतले लकड़ी के stems होते हैं. Their branches start from just above the ground. Okay, their branches. When you can see here, trunk is there, na? Trunk, this tree, branches will grow from upside, okay? But in the shrubs, what will happen? The branches starts from the just above the ground. Oh, this is the ground. This is the ground. So from here only, the branches will be there. So these are the shrubs. Okay. What is the example of shrubs? Hibiscus, gurhal, lemon, nimbu, jasmine, bougainvillea, and cotton are some common shrubs. Okay. You can see these shrubs plants near your house. Okay. Then next page. Next topic is herbs. Herbs are small plants with a single green non-woody stem. Dear students, please focus on this line. Herbs are small plants with a single green non-woody stem. Non-woody means उनके स्टेम लकड़ी की तरह नहीं होते, ओके, ग्रीन होते हैं, क्लियर। दे आर यूजुअली स्मॉलर देन shrubs, shrubs से छोटे होते हैं, so very tall and big size tree, then shrubs, smaller than shrub is herbs, okay, herbs, they have single green non-woody stem. They are usually smaller than the shrubs. What are the examples of shrubs? Herbs, spinach, mint and coriander are some common herbs. धनिया पत्ती देखा आपने, खाया है धनिया पत्ती? हाँ, धनिया पत्ती, mint, तुलसी, that पुदीना, okay, spinach, palak. These things are leafy vegetables that you can say. They are herbs. Why? Because their stems are green in color and they are weak, very small, okay. They are herbs, okay. Mint, पुदीने के पत्ते, coriander, धनिया के पत्ते, okay. They are very small in plants and their stems are green in color, okay, single stem they are, and they are non-woody, okay. Next is climbers. Climbers are weak stemmed. weak stem में उनके स्टेम बहुत ही पतले और कमजोर होते हैं, ओके. They need support of other plants, okay, balls or sticks to climb up. Climbers पौधे बहुत weak stem होते हैं उनके, and they need the support of other plant or the wall or the stick, okay. So that is, example is grapevine, pea, money plant and bean, okay. Bean are some common climbers. I can see many of the students are sitting very badly. Means you all are live and recording is going on. So whatever you people are doing, everything is recorded here. Okay. And still some of the students are lying on the bed. Very good. Okay. Very good that you are not able to sit 45 minutes in the class. So I don't know how you will sit in the class. Okay. Leave the lazy ones. Okay. But active students can study well. Okay. So sorry. Third A, sorry for roll number 48. Yes. Achyut Suraj Chaurasia. Navya Dubey, what are you doing? Sit properly, Navya. Okay. Creepers. First, what we have studied? Climbers. Climbers means they are weak stemmed plants. They need support. वो खुद से खड़े नहीं हो सकते, उनको support चाहिए. The best example you can see the money plant. Okay, grapevine, अंगूर के पौधे, pea, मटर, money plant and bean are some common climbers. So if the plant is there, so they need the support. Okay, they need the support. Clear? Climbers and creepers. Next is creepers. Creepers are weak stemmed plants. See, dear students, in both this line is written. So if weak stemmed plant, climbers as well as creepers, both are correct. Okay. So creepers are also weak stemmed plants, but their stems cannot hold themselves erect. Okay, erect means अपने आप को सीधा नहीं खड़ा कर सकते. Creepers, but the climbers can with the help of wall, other plants or sticks. ये छड़ी या दीवार के सहारे खड़े हो सकते हैं, but the creepers cannot. So they creep on the ground. Creepers means rain now. Okay, creep. Clear? So creepers are weak stemmed plant. Their stems cannot hold themselves erect. They grow creeping along the ground. Okay? जमीन पर ही बढ़ते हैं आगे. Like a snake. Okay? Yeah? Okay. So melons, watermelons, and what you are eating in Divya's in food. Okay? That melons, watermelons, and pumpkins are some common creepers. Clear? Common creepers. Examples. You can see in the book picture, it is there. Melon plant, pumpkin plant, watermelon plant. And in Hindi you say na that sabji, kaun si sabji aapko nahi pasand hai? Nenua, Loki, Kaddu. These you people are not eating, na? Huh? Not eating. Very good. You have to eat these things, okay? So these plants are having creepers like stem. Okay, they are creepers. Their stems are creeping along the ground. Okay? Clear? Manveer? Yeah, Manveer? Any doubt is there? Yes, Manveer, unmute yourself. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have no doubt.
No doubt. Everything is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
On Saturday, you were very sad.
No, ma'am.
You said, no, I have not enjoyed. Huh? Because you didn't get the chance for reading, na? Okay, so today you will get, okay? Okay, sit straight. Okay, good. Yes, so here what we have studied, types of plants, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Creepers will creep along the ground, okay? They will creep along the ground, okay? Clear? So here we have studied one topic, types of plants. Clear? Now it's your time to ask. Any doubt is there? Okay. Now I'm going to ask about trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers. Okay. Yes, Anish Pandey dancing. Yeah. Now you can dance. You are on the screen. Dance, dance. You all are thinking that ma'am is not watching, no? Okay. Unmute yourself, Anish. Unmute yourself. Yes. Please tell me about the trees.
Trees have.
Yes, trees have dancing tree. Huh? Tell me, tell me.
Trees.
Yes.
Big and very thick.
Very thin. They are very big, very thick. Thick, mota.
Thick. Thick.
Michelle, you are writing, Miss I love Nenua. Very good. If you are reading, very good. So I request you, all the students, to eat green vegetables. And the parents, I am requesting to all the parents, okay, please give the green vegetables to them. If they are not eating, just inform me, then I will not talk to them, okay? अगर आप हरी सब्जियां नहीं खाओगे तो आप क्या कैसे तेज होंगे? Because nowadays you all are on the mobile phone, screen is there every time, continuously you have to see the screen. And some of the students already got the specs. Okay. So next, please clarify your doubt. Next, who will tell? Still, some of the students are lying on the bed. I don't like to see them like this. Active students I want. Any doubt to anyone? Raise hand option is there. If I will tell to them, then together you will raise hand. Rishik is eating. Rishik? Yeah, Rishik. What are you eating? Tell me. Rishik? Showing also.
Nanua.
Acha. So in the class time you are eating nenua? हाँ? बेटा खाना है लेकिन क्लास के बाद खाना है. ओके, वेरी गुड. ओके, बट अभी नहीं खाना है. ओके. Anyone else? Okay. Any doubt is there to anyone? No. So I'm going to ask. Okay. Kanishka is there? Kanishka? Kanishka? No. Okay. Gauri is there? Gauri, third A. Randomly, I will take anyone names. Gauri is also not there. I'm searching the names. It's not coming. If you are online, it will show. Okay. So I'm going to just recapitulate this once. Okay. Listen it once again. Food we get from plants. Okay. Food we get from plants. What food we will get from the plant, that things we will study in detail. Before that, we have studied the types of plants. Types of plants, in that we have studied 5 types of plants: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. What things are there? Please read out. Yes. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. Now, trees. What are trees? Trees are tall, big plants. They have single woody stem. Okay, that is known as trunk. That is known as trunk. Then, example of trees: mango tree, apple tree, neem tree, curry tree, banyan tree, guava tree. Many trees are there. Now, shrubs. Shrubs are the plants in which the stems are thin and woody, and they grow just above the ground. Okay, like hibiscus, jasmine, and many more. Then herbs. Herbs are the plants, very small plants with the single green non-woody stem. Okay, and they usually smaller than the shrubs, and they have what? Which type of example in this herb? Spinach, mint, and coriander. Okay. Then next is climbers. Climbers, you can see the picture. In that it is written the climbers are weak stem, and creepers are also weak stem. Climbers are also weak stem. Creepers are also weak stem. But the climbers stems can erect the plants. Okay, they can erect themselves with the help of stick, ball, or other plants. And the creepers, they creep along the plants. Okay, I'm not explaining you too much of topics in one period, otherwise you people will mix it, confused fully. Okay, so right now I'm going to ask with you all. Okay, Soumya Singh, Ishana, Tali, many are there, but nobody's videos is on, so I will not ask to them. Okay, if video is off, I can't see the student. Mitali, Mitali Yadav, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Yeah.
miss.
Please, can you explain me what are herbs?
Herbs.
Ah.
Miss, herbs are small plants with
Close the book. Now say. मिस ने क्या समझाया? जो आपको समझ में आया वो आप मुझे समझाइए.
herbs are small plants that they are very small
Hmm.
with shrubs and
The
they are
stems are in which color?
green. Their
Acha, good.
stems are
Can you tell me the example of herbs?
mint.
Mint. Who is telling to you answer?
No,
Anyone is there? I know. Because your eyes are saying to everything. Okay. Okay, okay. Somebody is telling to you.
no, miss.
Okay. Please, when class is going on, please switch on your camera. Okay. Don't switch off the camera. Okay. Okay, good. So next is Anush Kumar. Very good. They all are. Manvi Singh. Yeshan Srivastav. Ishan Pratap Shahi. Ishan. Yes, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ishan. Tell me about the creepers.
Leopard. Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. So once again, I'm telling to you, creepers are weak stem. Weak
Okay,
stem
ma'am.
means weak stem होते हैं creepers plant के. Okay. Then I'm telling to you, and you are watching other side. Very nice. See the students. Ishan Pratap Shahi, you have said no, I don't know, and when I'm telling to you, explaining you creepers, you are watching here and there. This is very bad. When you will come to the school, now, dear students, you will know what is the moral values. I think in 2 years you have fully forgot that moral values. Okay. Well, they will teach you once again. Okay. So creepers are weakest stem plants. Their stems cannot hold themselves erect. वो अपने आप खड़े नहीं हो सकते हैं. Creepers plants. Okay. Clear? And their stems are very weak. That is why they creep along the ground. आप जमीन पर ही रेंगते हुए बढ़ते हैं. Okay. So this is about the creepers. So dear students, now they are raising the hand. Trinay Gupta. Trinay. Yes, beta. Ask the question. Yes. Say loudly, beta. Your voice is not coming here. What is? Shrubs. Okay. Shrubs, as I told you now, they are usually smaller than the trees and their branches are or stems are thin and woody. Okay, very thin and woody, and they all grow just above the ground, like hibiscus, गुड़हल का पौधा देखिए. Okay, jasmine, and then what, many plants are there, bougainvillea is there. Okay, so these plants, when you will see, you see the root is where, their shoots are where, then stems are how many, how their stems are there, is it is green or in color or brown in color. These things if you will find out, then only you can see. Okay, so science के students को आपको पेड़ पौधे देखने पड़ेंगे ना. When you will see the plant, when you will touch the plant, when you will find out the part of the plants, then only you will know that, oh, why this is tree, why this is shrub, what is herbs. Okay, so your homework is to just see around yourself. आप छत पे जाओ, आप बाहर जाओ, okay, and just watch. अगर आप कहीं जाते भी हो, whenever you are going outside for anything, please wear the mask, okay, and just see how many trees are there, which type of trees are there, which type of herbs are there. If the plant is very small, you can see and identify from the book में ऐसा दिया है what it is, shrub है या herb है. Okay, that things you have to see. And when you will start these things, okay, when you are going to the market with your parents to buy some vegetables, so you can see na the vegetables, which part you are eating, which part you are not eating. I request to dear parents, so please be very careful. Everything is going on, recording is going on, so whatever at the back side of your students you are doing, everything is visible to me or to the system. Okay, so please place your camera at a proper place, that student face should be visible, other things not. Okay, clear? And dress up properly. So your homework is to see the plants around yourself, and the rough copy, please write it down, which tree, which plant you have seen. Okay, how many types of plants you have seen, how many their stems are there. Okay, which type of stems are there, everything you have to see and just note it down in the rough copy. Okay, clear? So how many is going to see the plants today? Raise your hand. Sure you will see the plants? Okay, whenever you are getting free time, please go and see the plants. Okay, okay, so I hope the time is going on. The time is over. Yes, somebody is showing the plants. Okay, Achyut Tripathi, na? Okay, good. Show me once again. Moving here and there. Okay. Periwinkle plant, Sadabahar. Okay, very good. So like this, you can see the plants and you can study well. Good. Okay, so dear students, see you in the next class with the next new topic, edible parts of the plants. Now, next topic, we will see what part we are eating. Okay, Kartike Chaurasya, rose, you are having rose. Okay, good. Okay. So next, potato, ginger, garlic, turnip, radish, spinach, cabbage, beetroot, carrot. Fruits are there, apple, banana, mango, pear. Just whatever it is in your house. Okay, किचन में जाओ, आप देख लो क्या क्या है, सब्जी में क्या है, कौन सा पार्ट खा रहे हैं हम लोग. Okay, everything you have to see and then you have to. Yashika Deval, yes ma'am, the time is over now. Okay beta. Okay, okay, so dear students, let's see you in the next class. Thank you, God bless you all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.